Fiebing's classic Leathercraft kit. This is an 11-piece starter kit for leather dyeing and finishing. Comes with sponge, dark brown antique finish, medium brown leather dye, black leather dye, neutral resin, pro resist, and 5 Wool Daubers. So great starter kit if you're just getting started out with leather dyeing and finishing.